And here I have that big monster right now. I plug it in, but there's no display. But yep, seems to be working. So I'm gonna see why the display is not working at all. Even I try to adjust here, nothing happens, the contrast. So let's see what's happening with that thing. I just opened it and it looks really clean inside. I don't see any bad caps or anything. Everything here seems to be fine, but there's no display at all. I'll take a look and see what can be. I received few cables here and I start to see something now, but the screen is really dim. I wanna see what's going on. After I received a lot of cables, do a little reset and everything, looks like it's working now, but still a little bit dim as I see from other videos, but it's fine now. I may not now, but in the future I'm gonna disassemble everything and replace few capacitors on that LCD board that I saw on the manual that generates the voltage for the display itself. But so far I'm gonna leave it the way it is right now, and there is everything's fine. Few scratches there and there, but well, that's an old keyboard. That potentiometer is a little bit bent and is missing the cap, but I think I have those on my storage. I'm gonna get there right now instead to buy them. I think I have some replacements on my storage. I'm gonna get there in a few minutes, see what's going on. If I do, I'll bring them and replace everything and see if everything looks fine. If it does, I'll leave the way it is. And that's all, guys, for now. And just a little update. After I clean everything, I test, I figured out that that key was getting stuck all the time. Wasn't like just pushing and getting back like those. They were getting down and doesn't get back. So I disassembled everything and I found out that that key is broken here, and that's the reason. So I just ordered one already, and once they get here, so I replace that key, that one, and that's it.